Wealth from waste. Using old car tires, a stool is built. Friends, be environment friendly. The used old car tires can be put to better use. Old car tires can be put to better use. If you discard, they are going to pollute. Sometimes these tires are used to burn. They burn these things in kiln to make puff rice, jaggery, and many other things. Instead of polluting the environment, we can use them for better purpose. Tools and materials required to make a cozy old tires stool. Use tires, plastic rope. For each tire you need 3 meters long, a drill gun, 4 bolts and nuts with washers, 6 mm diameter and 30 mm long. Take 2 car tires, old ones of the same size. Clean them thoroughly by using water and shampoo or detergent. You can clean all the dirt, the grease sticking onto these tires. Mark on the rim of the tire 8 points exactly at equal distance. By using a drill gun, drill holes of 8 mm or 10 mm on these points. Turn the tire to the other side. Mark 4 points on the rim of the tire again at the highest position. Drill 8 mm holes at these points, 4 holes. We have the tire with the 8 holes exactly drilled with equal distance, and we have the 3-meter rope. Take one end of the rope, insert through one hole. Put a knot here and another knot so that it should not slip through the hole. Then pull it back. Take the other end of the rope, pass it through the diagonally opposite hole. Pull it from inside. Pull it hard so that the rope is tight. Now, take the rope from the next hole from inside to outside. Yes, pull it hard. Go to the exactly diagonally opposite another hole. Pull it hard. Go to the next hole. From inside, again put the rope and pull it outside. Now choose the diagonally opposite hole. Insert the rope. Now the last pair of holes. Push the rope from inside to outside. Pull it hard. And the last hole from outside to inside. You pull the rope. Afterwards, you tie it hard in such a fashion, a knot from inside, so that it should not slip. place the extra thread inside only. In future if you want to tighten, this will be available here. The tire which we have tied the rope from one end to other end like this for all the 8 holes is here now. The rope is tight. Take this tire and another spare tire which without the rope is placed here. These 2 tires are joined with 4 bolts. Bolt, nut and washers. They are here inside 1, 2, 3, 4. They are tightly fixed so that the tires will not move from one to other. The cozy stool is ready and it's a permanent facility in your house using the old tire.